Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and this is my first video on this channel. Here I will be sharing practical IoT and engineering projects with clear explanations. In today's video, I will explain my smart door lock system built using ESP32. To build this project, you require mainly 4 components: a keypad, a microcontroller, and a servo motor and a buzzer, and few jumper wires. So this is the circuit diagram of our smart door lock system. So here this is the keypad. Here the keypad rows and columns are connected to the GPIOs of the Arduino microcontroller. Each key press is detected by scanning rows and columns internally. Here this is the servo motor, and this is the servo motor signal pin which is connected to the PWM enabled GPIO pin. The Arduino microcontroller reads the keypad input and compares with the predefined password stored in the program. If the password matches, the servo motor rotates and unlocks the door. After few seconds, it rotates back to the locked position. Okay, if the password is wrong, then the buzzer alarm gets triggered. That's it. It's very easy circuit. So here is the code, and we have included the keypad library and the ESP32 servo motor library, and we have assigned the ESP32 signal pin as 14 and the buzzer pin as 40. Okay, now we have assigned the rows and columns like this. The first 4 pins of the keypad are rows and the second 4 pins are columns. So we have set the password to 1234 here. You can change it to any password as if you want. Here, if the password is correct, the access is granted and the door gets unlocked. If the password is wrong, then the access gets denied and the buzzer alarm gets triggered. That's it. It's just a very simple code. So now let's upload the code into our ESP32 board. We are choosing COM5 and then upload the code. Now the code has been uploaded and you can see the working. So this is a smart door lock system. So the password is set to 1234. And to press enter, we need to enter the hash key. So the door is unlocked and again it is locked. So let us try some wrong examples. Suppose 4, 5, 1, 2 and let us press enter. Then you can hear a buzzer sound. That means the alarm is on.